How to check RAM in Windows 11. Checking your RAM can be helpful when troubleshooting performance issues or determining if your system meets certain software requirements. If you want to know about your RAM capacity, type, frequency, operating voltage, cache latency, then see the full video. So let's get started. To first check RAM in Windows 11, click on Start menu. Then type on the search bar System Information. Then click on it. In here, your whole CPU information will be displayed. Scroll down and go to the memory section. Here you can see how much RAM is installed in the computer. Close this window. Another way to see RAM details is to go to the Task Manager. Now right click on the taskbar. Click on Task Manager. Now click on the Performance tab. Then click on the Memory section. In the Memory section, it displays the uses of your RAM. It shows you the amount of memory in use, available and cached, and speed of the RAM. If you prefer a more comprehensive analysis of your RAM, such as check cache latency or operating voltage of your RAM, then you can also use third-party software such as CPU-Z. These tools provide detailed information about your system. Let's download it. Click on Start. Go to your browser. Search CPU-Z. Click on its official website. Scroll down, then download your desired one. After downloading complete, install it. After installation complete, open the software. Here you can see detailed information about your system. To see your memory specification, go to Memory tab. There is more option in the SPD section. You can select the slot which you have installed the RAM. My RAM is on slot 2 and 4. Here you can see all the information about your RAM, such as your memory speed, your memory manufacturer, your memory size, your memory serial number, your memory cache latency, and also your memory voltage. So that's it. You now know how to check your RAM on Windows 11 using Task Manager and Resource Monitor. Monitoring your RAM usage can help you understand your system's performance and make informed decisions when troubleshooting or upgrading your computer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial refer channel for more videos.